Welcome to BizUI platform for micro businesses. We are giving you an overview of the different options for business owners and how to utilize the platform. For example, you can register as a business owner, going through the registration steps requested. Once registered, you are able to log into the system as an official business owner and have access to an owner dashboard. From the dashboard, you can view your profile to adjust information related to your business, from contact information to hours of operation. You can also add additional locations as needed for your business, with separate information for mapping or getting in contact with that location. For all your locations, you can adjust your business hours Monday through Sunday. Back at the dashboard, we now select the Owner Connectors. Connectors allow owners to launch from your BizUI Micro landing page to other pre-existing sites, services, social media, etc. You have set up, for example, create a couple of connector links to your LinkedIn and X social media sites. Those will now show up on your landing page for your customers to utilize, all from one location. Navigating back to the dashboard, let's examine your advertising options. Create a live advertising message that will be updated in real time for visitors of your landing page to see. That message shows up on your landing page just under your contact information, as well as in the ticker that runs across the platform. While in the Advert Studio, modify your existing events to expand details displayed on your landing page for that event. Then examine your announcement image content to be sure it matches your current business announcements. Finally, while in the studio, check out your specials image to be sure that matches your current discount provided. To update and publish, a single click does the trick, and those changes are immediately applied to your landing page. Let's go back to the dashboard and take a look at the Reward Studio. Here, you define how you want your rewards to be offered. When you scan a subscribed customer's unique QR code, they will get rewarded for doing business with you. In the studio, you use the program settings to configure enablement, punch targets, how the reward is described, and even how long the window exists for a QR code or token to be registered when presented by the customer. An effective public promotion is time-stamped and becomes visible on your landing page for your customers to see how your rewards program works. Heading back again to the Owner Dashboard, we take a look at all of our recent adjustments using the Storefront button. Here, we see our most recent advertising message, the connectors we added, our advertising adjustments, as well as our rewards promotion, time-stamped and visible to our customers. Let's talk about support options when you need it the most. If you have a question, an issue crops up, or you simply want to send some feedback, the support channel for owners is the place to go. Here, you can give a clear description for the entry using the title, type, subtype, and detailed description box. Once you submit your details, you get a unique ticket number for tracking and for support to follow up with you using your registered owner email. Something unique to the BizUI Micro platform is you will own your operational and customer information. This is where the BizUI Micro DNA features come in. For now, you can track your subscribed users who get your rewards, as well as feedback information from them. Coming soon are an additional set of features to help you build up the DNA of your business. Thanks for viewing. We hope you like what we have for you as a business owner on BizUI Micro.